What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Rayware Computers since 1996. This is the old Doc's Geek. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems with getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Get that email address over to me, gang. Okay? I got good stuff for you here. Alrighty, so showing you how to do these types of ebooks, lead magnets, okay, ebook covers, web pages. Alright, so what it was here, if you saw the last video, we got this private label rights, okay, ebook giveaway, lead magnet download, free download, okay. Let me get back to where we were with it. Okay. Okay, we got the master resell rights to this thing. Okay, you always want to make sure that you read these. I got a yes on everything here. I can pretty much do anything I want with this and make it mine. Okay, can be given away in any format. That means I could take that PDF and I can take the PDF from this and make it into a lead magnet of my own, change it all around, which we're going to do in the next video. Okay, I like to take these guys and make a sales page out of it. Okay, this is great for making a sales page out of it. Most likely if it's in this ebook, nobody's making a sales page out of it. That was a little trick of mine that I used to do, and it's good for the SEO. It's good for the ease of creating it. It's good for a lot of things. Okay, we're doing it the RWC web way. Now if you remember in the last video, I went to make this, enhance this ebook cover. Okay, it's a little outdated. As you can see, the format of it was kind of crappy. They do give you a picture of it as well, which I probably could have turned it into a 3D thing. Okay, I can give that a try, you know, also, but you know, to me it just looked a little outdated. All right, to me it wasn't really pleasing to the eyes. So in the last video I showed you how we went to Canva and we changed it into this guy. Okay, and we use this 3D DIY book design. Okay, it's DIYbookcovers.com. Okay, /3D capital D mockups. You can see that up there. I can leave the link in the description. I'm not an affiliate. Okay, this is okay. It's a little crude. Now when you get the covers in this direction, I didn't really want the cover in that direction. Okay, and I know in the last video I left it like that. I mean, you can use it like that, it's no big deal. Okay, so we got from this, we went to this. Okay, so now I got this software now. Back in the day, this was a freestanding software that only worked on Internet Explorer. Okay, so it's called Open Creator. We're going to open a creator. It's called Digital E-Covers, created by Quicksoft.com. Now I believe Quicksoft is a dead site. I haven't been there in years. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and take that original cover, because I didn't try that yet with this. Okay, let's see how it fares. Now this is a fantastic program. I've never really found anything else like this anywhere. Okay. Hey, see, this picture is kind of crude, so I'm not really liking it. Okay, so we'll clear that out. We're going to upload another one. All right, and where were we? Here. All right, so I'm going to take my picture. I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, and I'm going to fit it in there. Now you could literally take text. It's got a text format in here. You can add text in here. Okay. Okay, you can add text in here and literally take it here. alright, and rotate it. You see how that works? And you can put it here, which is fantastic, okay? I'm a little lazy, okay? I'm a little lazy, so, you know, I don't want to do that. Okay, so what I want to do here, I'm going to put this guy in here. I'm going to fit it in here as much as possible. Okay, this is a fantastic program. And I probably could have made this picture a little bit better. Alright, probably could have made it a little bit better. Alright, now we're going to go to the colors. Now with the colors, okay, you know, I can go right back into Canva, where I was before. Go right back into Canva. Come on, Canva. Been working my computer like a dog. Okay, go right back here. So I made this binder. And I got a lot of great stuff too, a lot of free stuff to show you how to do these colors, because colors can be tricky. Years ago, the colors, you know, they weren't always, you know, it showed up different on every computer. We pretty much got that down to a science now. It's pretty much going to show on every device the same way. So this is my numbers, my hexadecimal numbers for the color. So I'm going to copy that, okay? I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my program over here. Alright? And I'm going to paste the, I'm going to just have to use the keyboard, Control V, okay? And it's going to give me that color for the whole background of the thing. And as you can see in the sample, there it is. Okay, so we're going to go to next. This is my favorite part of this. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Alright? That is a total 3D awesome little program. And it's primitive too. It's primitive. You know? I could show a shadow on it. Okay. Let's see. Image background color. Let's see. Let's see what it does when we do this here. Save and close. All right, that's if you want an image background color, but we don't want that. Okay, we don't want that. So we're gonna go 0 there. We're gonna 0 that out. Okay, or we could just go back, go forward again, and reset that. All right, we don't want that. We're gonna do all zeros. Do 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Let's go. Cancel. Close. Alright, I think that's what it left it as. That's going to give me a black background. Alright, I'm going to start over. Reset. Reset. Okay. Just going to close it out. We're going to start over. It doesn't save anything. That's the greatest thing about it. Okay. Let me show you this real quick. Okay. It's 2 a.m. So I probably shouldn't be doing this stuff at 2 a.m. because I am old and I'm tired. I'm a little tired, but see, that's what it takes to do your business. When you're running your own business, you got no days off. You got no sick days to take. Okay. You gotta do it. You gotta get it done. Alright, so I don't know. Let me just take a peek over here. See where we're at. Okay, sorry about that. Again, I'm tired. Let's see if I can get you centered. And we're gonna do the background color again. Alright. Save that up. That's going to make it look smashing. Okay. Now we're going to take it and set it any way you want to set it. Is that a beautiful thing? We're going to download. And I'm going to go, Alright, I'll leave it at my ebook design. Okay. And we're going to go to the folder. Alright, so this was the one we just made. Oh, that looks better than the other one, doesn't it? Yeah, that one was a flop. Alright, that's EB. Yeah, so that was the original one that I made. Okay, and this is the one that I just made, which I actually like better. I don't know about you guys. It might be my 2 a.m. eyes, but I think I like that one better. Or is it the same? Alright. So you get the picture. Okay. And that's this here. I'm going to try. Honestly, I don't know where I got this from. Okay, let's see what I got. A how-to video. It looks like it's on YouTube. Can we go to the YouTube? Oh man, it's just opening it within itself. Okay, well, what these old programmers did, they actually did this in some old Delphi or something to make this happen. Okay, because there's a lot of old guys like me, and doubt if they're gonna show. Okay, here we go. Quicksoft, I remember them. Okay, so here it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description. Okay, or if you want to just go there, it's quicksoft.com, and here it is right here. You can just download it from here. Okay, it's going to leave you some instructions and stuff like that. Alrighty, and again, I will leave the link in the description. Okay, this is old stuff, old school stuff like me. Alright, and you know, this is Ray, rwcweb.com, working wee hours in the morning for you guys, try and help you do your affiliate thing. I definitely recommend not doing this stuff while you're tired. That's how I've made a lot of mistakes in the past. Okay, so if you don't mind reading this, because I don't feel like saying it again, and I got my YouTube channel going. If you want to like and subscribe, and I'd be real appreciated. I'm going to get some beauty rest. Take care.